Leo, this is your channel messages for the 27th of October. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Leo. Let's go. I'm hearing it's just those rainy days, living lifetime trying to wash away, till the sun shine and I see your face. Smile for me, out of these rainy days, living lifetime trying to wash away, till the sun shine and I see your face. Smile for me, smile for me. So I'm getting you seeing someone smile in a very long time, or I'm getting Leo, you haven't smiled in a very long time. I'm getting every day has been hell for you, but I'm getting you have a reason to smile now. So good shit, Leo. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Your desire is the 6 of Wands. I'm getting you want to relocate, Leo. You thought you would never leave that provenance you're in. Gotcha, bitch. So it will make you do a lot of things. So I'm getting you want to relocate, pack up and blood clot left. Pack up and leave. The fuck you afraid of? You're 30 odd, 40 odd, you're a big blood clot, man. What you afraid of? You're afraid of your daddy. Oh. Well, hopefully you ain't trying to kill your dad so you can gain freedom, because that's probably your only option. This is what it sounds like. Anyways, what is their desires? The king, oh, your mother, I know your father, your mother. I'm getting you want to relocate, but your mother said no. Don't know if you want to relocate for love, or you're just tired of the area in, or you feel like you just have a bad energy on you. You want to relocate and start over new and fresh. I'm getting your mother don't want you to relocate. Your mother is in your way. She's standing in your way. It's not your dad, it's your mom. Your mom's standing in your way, Leo. So I'm getting you want to leave to go somewhere. Your mom said no. Okay, so what the theme is? What is your theme? Your theme is a star card. I'm getting you want to relocate to be with this celebrity. The celebrity is not in the same town you're in, or she's not in the same country you're in. I'm getting you want to see her, and your mom is telling you no. Don't go, don't travel, don't pick up everything and relocate for your bitch that's showing her body to half of the world already. Maybe your son is the one who showed her body to half of the world first, and she just picked up where your fucking son left off, right? So I'm getting that's what you want. You can relocate for this woman. Getting your mother said no, don't do it, no. Your challenges is, yeah, maybe she hurt you already, she hurt you in the past, and your mother said don't go back. Or I'm getting your mother is saying you don't see what she do for work now, how you gonna get involved with a woman like that? Maybe your son involved her in this work and didn't tell you, and now that shit hit the fan, and your son want to go back to war, and you're wondering why your son want to fuck a prostitute, because your son turned her into one. That's why he doesn't feel bad about fucking her again. He's just not telling you that because he doesn't want his mommy to be disappointed as to how he treats his mother like a queen, but he treats other women fucked up, right? So I'm getting your mother says she hurts you again, she fucking other men. She's a prostitute, she's selling her pussy. You want to be with a girl who sells pussy? That's what you want? I'm getting your son is the first paid customer. Your son gave her the idea to sell pussy. That's what your son not telling you. Okay, so what else we have? Emotional compatibility, the King of Swords. I'm getting your son is very intelligent. It's not like your son don't know what to do. Because I'm getting the star card is Aquarius. This is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I'm getting your son understands the feeling the person is in. You might look at it as something so taboo and so evil. Your son is like, people do this every single day. Every day. My ex-girlfriend's doing it. Your physical compatibility is the 2 of Cups. I'm getting both of them physically attracted to each other. Both of them. You might be sapiosexual. Okay, well, he like a freak in the sheets. So we go great together. Yeah, Ace of Wands, literally your mental compatibility. I'm getting sex is great. I'm getting that guy, yeah. I don't know if you're a Libra moon, Aquarius moon. I don't know what kind of moon you are, but getting sex is great. Very compatible. So I'm getting the only thing I'm seeing in your way is your mother. The mother, war with me and the mother-in-law. War with me and the mother-in-law. The father not too bad, neither the grandma. But war with me and the mother-in-law. I'm getting your mother-in-law is like, no. Is that what you want a thought? Yeah, mom, I want a thought. Yeah, that's what you want. So I'm getting either over your mom's dead body, and please be wary of that, because I had a family member who was with a man, and the woman tell the man, and I had a family member that was with a guy, and his mother told my family member that them not gonna stay together for long over a dead body. A couple of months later, his mother died. So be careful before you tell anyone of this family blood over my dead body. Chances are you're dead. Family member was like, oh shit. She was like, over my dead body. And you know what happened? I'm a family member gave him the money to bury her. My family member gave him the money. I don't even know how the fuck this shit are going. So yeah, the moral of the story is, do not tell a psychic over my dead body. You're dead. So if you're telling your Leo son, you can't fuck this girl over your dead body, you're going to die soon. We probably need to talk to Satan to expedite that faster. Probably do you a FedEx overnight shipment of death. It's over. Yeah. We have the Hangman. We have Gemini. We have the Wheel of Fortune. We have Enemy, and we got Aliens. Before you tell a bloodline like mine over my dead body, you should know you're dead. Don't play with your life that way. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.